Hello, dear children. I welcome you in today's English class. Let's start the third lesson, The Little Girl. Before we start the chapter, let's have some general introduction of it. Do you feel you know your parents better now than when you were much younger? Perhaps you now understand the reasons for some of their actions that used to upset you earlier. See, first of all, the writer asks us that are the students able, are the children able to understand their parents now better when you all are in class 9th? Maybe earlier when your parents were doing certain thing, you were unable to know the reason behind them. Maybe now you are understanding them better and you are aware about the things whatever they had done, the reason behind them. Maybe that time you were upset, you were not so understanding the reason why they were doing so. This is a story about a little girl whose feelings for her father change from fear to understanding. Will probably find an echo in every home. This point is very important. The writer says, maybe some of you will feel that the little girl who is the protagonist of this story felt a sort of better understanding. Earlier she was afraid with her father, but now she felt a sort of better understanding, and maybe your own feeling can echo. You can also see some similarity between her and in your own case. So let's see, you will calculate and let's start the chapter. To the little girl, he was a figure to be feared and avoided. To the little girl, he was a figure. He refers to her father. The protagonist of the story was a little girl, a young girl, and her father was a figure whom she was feared and she wanted to avoid him all the time. Every morning before going to work, he came into her room and gave her a casual kiss. Every morning when the father was going on work, he was every time departing giving her a kiss, to which she responded with goodbye father. When her father came to kiss her, goodbye kiss, and she was wishing her father bye bye. And there was a glad sense of relief when she heard the noise of the carriage carriage means her car, growing fainter and fainter down the long road. And the moment she was listening that her father was going, and the sound had become fainter, slow and slow, so she used to be very glad. She was happy that her father had gone and now he would return back long back. At evening time, she used to be very happy to know this. In the evening, when he came home, she stood near the staircase and heard his loud voice in the hall. Bring my tea into the drawing room. Hasn't the paper come yet? But evening time when he was coming and in his loud voice he was roaring, he was asking for giving him tea in the drawing room. He used to inquire about evening newspaper. Mother, go and see if my paper's out there and bring me my sleepers. These are the instruction he used to give to his mother, that for paper, for sleepers. So she was considering her father was very, dominating sort of person. She was thinking so. Kaiza, mother would call to her, if you are a good girl, you can come down and take off father's boots. And slowly the girl would slip down the stairs, more slowly still across the hall, and pushed open the drawing room door. And when her mother was asking her, Kaiza, her name was Kaiza, that you go and give sleeper to your father. Now she had to go, but she did not. Actually, she did not want to go because she was scared with her father. And she was all the time afraid with her father. By that time, he had his spectacles on and looked at her over them in a way that was terrifying the little girl. By the time she was going to give the newspaper to her father, he was looking towards her through the specs which he was wearing just to read the newspaper, and he seems to be dangerous, more dangerous to the little girl. Well, Keza, hurry up and pull off these boots and take them outside. Have you been a good girl today? Don't know, father. When her father was asking her about her day, so she was so scared with her that she started stammering. She was unable to speak well. That is why you can see that it is not written don't know straightforward, but don't know. So this today we will do this much only. Thank you, dear children.